Welcome to this stock analysis video. In this video, we will compare companies selected by you based on fundamentals and important financial ratios. Here is comparison based on earning per share, price earnings ratio, price to book ratio, and return on equity. Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest EPS at 44.15. Equitas Holdings Ltd has highest PE at 27.14. Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest price to book ratio at 5.37. Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest ROE at 24.94. This graph shows the revenue comparison of stocks for last few quarters. In current quarter, Equitas Holdings Ltd has highest revenue at 423.81 crore. In previous quarter, Bharat Financial Inclusion had highest revenue at 407.39 crore. Here is how revenue growth rate looks like for selected stocks. In current quarter, Equitas Holdings Ltd has highest growth rate at 10.24. In previous quarter, Equitas Holdings Ltd had highest revenue growth rate at 10.44. This graph shows the profit comparison of stocks for last few quarters. In current quarter, Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest profit at 142.82 crore. In previous quarter, Bharat Financial Inclusion had highest profit at 145.88 crore. Here is how profit growth rate looks like for selected stocks. In current quarter, Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest profit growth rate at -2.1. In previous quarter, Ujjivan Financial Services Ltd had highest profit growth rate at 2.34. Profit margin is the ratio of net profit to revenues. In current quarter, Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest profit margin at 34.93. In previous quarter, Bharat Financial Inclusion had highest profit margin at 35.81. Here is how operating profit margin looks like for selected stocks. In current quarter, Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest operating profit margin at 64.69. In previous quarter, Bharat Financial Inclusion had highest operating profit margin at 64.87. Here is comparison based on debt and interest liability of companies. Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest debt at 5,129.68 crore. Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest interest liability at 591.99 crore. Here is how interest coverage ratio and debt to equity ratio compares with each other. Bharat Financial Inclusion has highest interest coverage ratio at 1.91. Equitas Holdings Ltd has highest debt to equity ratio at 3.94. Thanks for watching this video.